Hey yo, what is up guys, and thank you for joining me today. In this video I am going to show you how to crop an video or photo in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's directly get into the video.
When it falls in the wind, you know.
First of all, you have to create a new sequence and import a footage on your timeline. It could be footage or photo, whatever you want. Now if you go to file, there is no such direct method for cropping this clip. But now in this video I'll show you two methods. From it, first method is easy and basic. So let's go to an effects section and search crop, which you'll find in transform tab. Drag and drop it into your main video. Go to effects control and scroll, and then you'll see an effects of crop. Here you have four values: left, top, right, bottom. Now if we increase the value from left, it will crop from left. If we increase from top, it will crop from top. If we increase from right, it will crop from right. And if we increase from bottom, it will crop from bottom. So this method is self-explanatory. But now what if you want to start with full footage and end up with half footage? So for this, what you have to do is that in starting of video you have to add a keyframe either on left or right. I'll choose left, and then go to the end of video and change this to approx 50, and now you have a pretty cute animation. So this was the first method, pretty basic. But now what if you want to crop a little bit advanced? How will you able to do that? So for that you have to use second option. So first let's delete this clip and then import the same clip again. And now we're not going to put any crop effect on the clip. Instead, we'll select the clip, we'll go to effects control tab, and then from opacity section we'll choose this thing. It's a free draw tool. We'll choose this and we'll do this fit to 10%, so we have a whole look, and we'll create 4 points out of the main video. Now you may ask, what will this do? This will give you more creative freedom over everything, and it will let you to draw whatever shapes you want to. So for example, I can take this point and do this. So you can see this triangle crop, or I can do this, so it will crop from here. So make endless shape here. And one more thing which I like is that here you have too many points. So if you click one point and then drag it this way, so as you can see, it will give you a very unique and very creative. So now you can see that the crop is very creative, and this will give you a lot of creative freedom, and you can draw whichever shapes you want to, and give you shape in every angle. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to connect me personally on Instagram and see the BTS of all this, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you can check this Premiere Pro playlist out. Do not forget to subscribe.
You say you wanna dance. You're worrying, you'll end up in the